edging toward the 6G wireless factory. Machines in traditional factories are often a static mix of new and old models from different manufacturers. The control software is spread across various machine components, each with its own brain and programming language. This creates significant bottlenecks for maintenance and innovation in today's fast-paced global industrial landscape. We need flexible factory setups, allowing the efficient production of smaller batch sizes. In a wired factory, components in machines are still connected one by one, with cables to a controller. Each component has its own brain, with embedded software in its own programming language. The 5G wireless factory connects the industrial controller to the remote I/O unit via 5G. The 5G wireless factory operates with an on-premise edge server that hosts the machine control server and manufacturing LLMs, ensuring all machine data is readily accessible. In a 6G wireless factory, connectivity extends seamlessly to the sensors and actuators within each machine. In this setup, each sensor and actuator still has its own software and programming language. We now eliminate these software islands by moving all embedded software to one central brain. Now, the actuators and sensors are connected via 6G inside the machine to the machine logic that is centralized on the on-premise edge. 6G enables robust, flexible factories with intelligent software. Through reliable 6G connectivity inside machines, all machine control software centralized on the edge and low-code software with verified reliability. It is driving self-improvement by adaptive intelligence, as well as delivering improved uptime and flexibility. The 6G wireless factory will be developed by these FNS partners with support of the National Growth Fund. If you would like to find out more, please download the white paper on this project. Follow us on LinkedIn to see how we create a strong Dutch 6G ecosystem.